When it comes to wine, we all kind of generally understand a region. Somebody says Champagne, boom, the lights go on, you get it. You know the grapes, you know what happens there. Somebody says Bordeaux, boom, the lights go on, you know what happens. Somebody says Stellenbosch, what happens? This is going to be tricky, it's complex. Stellenbosch has 5 mountain ranges. Those mountains don't conveniently run parallel to each other and all resemble each other. They're all different. You've got 5 different, imagine the 5 fingers on your hand, 5 different fingers. That finger doesn't do what your thumb does. That doesn't do what that does. And they face different directions. So if the sun rises here, this is sunrise, this is sunset. They have different climates. Each one of those mountains offers a different opportunity for a different climate, for different wind. The wind comes in here, then it doesn't hit here and does hit there. So the wind, the climate, the rainfall, all of these things differ. So every part of Stellenbosch is unique and different, and it has a specific climate. And even when we reduce Stellenbosch to one mountain, let's take the Helderberg as one mountain, that beautiful Helderberg mountain, no mountain has one side. Every mountain has 2 sides. Now, as long as you've got 2 sides, you have a rainfall side and you have a dry side. You have a windy side and a no-wind side. You have a sunrise side and a sunset side. So once again, you've got all these differences. And to add to this complexity, you have elevation. So suddenly you're not at 100 meters above sea level, you're at 500 meters. And the temperature up there is very different. The weather up there is very different. The wind blows, very different. So Stellenbosch, really complex region, 5 mountains. Each mountain has its own particular climate, and within that mountain there are microclimates again. That this side of the mountain, this facing of the mountain faces south, and then the mountain curves and faces east as well, or perhaps west. You have all of these different options, and that's the complexity, that's the beauty. And that's why in Stellenbosch you can get Cabernet, you can get Chardonnay, you can get Sauvignon Blanc, you can get so many different grapes. Chenin Blanc absolutely thrives here because Chenin Blanc loves the coolness of Stellenbosch, the ocean impact, the mountain impact, and sunshine. Now, if ever there was an oxymoron, cool sunshine, that defines a perfect growing region for Chenin Blanc.